Welcome to Mastering English Grammar. In today's video, we'll dive into one of the building blocks of English, articles. We use articles every day, but knowing how and when to use them can be tricky. Should it be a book or an apple? Why do we say the moon but not the water? Let's break it down. Through MCQ question.
In which sentence is no article needed? Option A, they have blank car. Option B, I want to be blank teacher. Option C, she gave me blank advice. The correct answer will be option C, she gave me blank advice. Explanation: advice is an uncountable noun, so no article is needed. In other cases, articles are required with countable nouns in specific places or professions. Question number 2. Which article should be used in the sentence, he is blank honest man? Option A, no article, option B, an, option C, A. The correct answer will be option B, an. Explanation: an is used because honest begins with a silent H, and the word starts with a vowel sound. Question number 3. Which of the following is correct when referring to something for the first time? Option A, Jack found an interesting game. Option B, Jack found the interesting game. Option C, Jack found an interesting game. The correct answer will be option A, Jack found an interesting game. Explanation: an is used because interesting game is being mentioned for the first time, and the adjective interesting starts with a vowel sound. Question number 4. Which sentence contains an error in article usage? Option A, we need an hour to get there. Option B, the sky is blue. Option C, he is an engineer. The correct answer will be option C, he is an engineer. Explanation: it should be an engineer because engineer starts with a vowel sound. The other sentences use the articles correctly. Question number 5. Which of the following sentences uses articles correctly? Option A, they are going to the France. Option B, I need a information. Option C, June brought an umbrella. The correct answer will be option C, June brought an umbrella. Explanation: an is used because umbrella starts with a vowel sound. B is incorrect with uncountable nouns like information, and option A, the France, are incorrect because they refer to specific entities. Question number 6. Which article would you use in this sentence? He is blank most talented student in the class. Option A, option B, the, option C, no article. The correct answer will be option B, the. Explanation: the is used with superlatives like most talented to indicate that the person is the best in a specific group. Question number 7. Which sentence is grammatically incorrect due to article usage? Option A, he is an university professor. Option B, he bought an apple from the market. Option C, I went to a park yesterday. The correct answer will be option A, he is an university professor. Explanation: an is used before a vowel sound, but university begins with a consonant sound, so it should be a university professor. Question number 8. Which sentence is correct and referring to something already mentioned? Option A, I listened to a song and song was great. Option B, I listened to the song and the song was great. Option C, I listened to a song and the song was great. The correct answer will be C, I listened to a song and the song was great. Explanation: A is used when mentioning the song for the first time, and the is used the second time because it is now known to the listener. Question number 9. Which article is used with plural nouns when referring to something in general? Option A, an, option B, no article, option C, the. The correct answer will be option B, no article. Explanation: no article is used when referring to plural nouns in a general sense, such as in, books are important. Question number 10. In which of the following sentences is an used correctly? Option A, it's an honor to meet you. Option B, she is an European citizen. Option C, they bought an house. The correct answer will be option A, it's an honor to meet you. Explanation: an is used because honor begins with a silent H, and the word starts with a vowel sound. In other examples, the words start with a consonant sound, so A should be used.